Hey everyone, it's Tim again at Orange County Auto Wholesale. Today I'm displaying a 2013 Dodge Caravan SE, a really clean, local owned vehicle, only 48,000 miles. So this is a 7-passenger van. It does have the third seat, which sits 3 people in the rear. There's 2 bucket seats in the middle and then 2 bucket seats in the front. So it's really a nice car. I had it safety inspected, so you can be assured of a good quality vehicle. It's Carfax certified, clear, clean title, so there's no known issues with that. It has the alloy wheels, the SE package, stow and go seating. Let's open it up here. All of these seats will all fold down flat into the floor, so you'll have all of that room for storage and for hauling capacity. It does have the dual doors on each side that open for easy access. There's the rear cargo area. That compartment down there, that well, the seats fold down. So again, you get your flat floor all the way across for more hauling capacity. It's a beautiful dark blue metallic with the beige cloth interior. It's got power windows, power door locks, cruise control, of course air conditioning. You got front and rear air. There's the rear air conditioning and heating controls. There's the vents in the ceiling. So let's start it up here real quick. It has CD player. There's your HVAC system, heating and ventilation. Also too, this has the flex fuel option, so you get better fuel economy. So let's see what we got here. It shows the gate, door. Yeah, 48,905 the miles. As you can see, no warning lights, pass smog just fine. This is an economical van. There's your power windows, mirror controls. Economical van. It's going to be priced right in the high 11s, like 11.9, right in there. So it's an affordable van for families. So anyway, Orange County Auto Wholesale, 1852 McGaw Avenue, Irvine, 92614. Home of the 59-minute or less total car buying experience. Again, my name is Tim. I'm the business owner. I'm the only person you'll talk to. So I've been here 20 years at my location. So again, no hassles, hassle-free experience. 949-235-1759. That's my cell. You can text or call. Here's my facility. It's all indoors. So hope you have a great day.